Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our channel. Already we have started lecture series on 12th, complete lecture series on 12th HSC board previous year questions and their topic too. So within that we have uploaded plenty of the videos on our channel. If you wanted to see, if you are interested, you may check it into my playlist. You will get the all videos there. So in our today's topic, I'm here with one of the very much important topic in our board exam, which is a trigonometric function. Okay, so we are going to understand the trigonometric function. So before starting our trigonometric function, I would like to explain here some of the basic concept which is needed for our today's topic. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started our today's lecture. I will explain here each and every basic concept along with some of the board exam questions. Okay, so our today's topic here, trigonometric function under complete lecture series for 12th HSC board. Okay, so here let's get start our lecture. So before we start the lecture, I wanted to explain some of the basic concept. Okay, as we have trigonometric functions, similarly we have algebraic quantity also. Okay, so what we do here, so we will go for understanding the definition of algebraic quantity. Okay, so we'll understand first of all algebraic conditions. Okay, so here what is mean by algebraic function? Algebraic function. Okay, we want the definition for algebraic function. What is the algebraic function? Here the combination of a constant as well as variable, so we consider under algebraic function. Okay, so algebraic function means, or algebraic equation means, the equation which like x plus by plus c which is equal to 0. So in such a type of the equation, there is a involvement, some constant and some variable, so we consider it as the algebraic equation. Okay, so here we have algebraic equation. Why we call algebraic equation? Because some constant variable are there. Okay, similarly if we apply that concept for trigonometric identities. Okay, so trigonometric identities means if there is a involvement of trigonometric ratios like a sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. Okay, that means sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. So if we have involvement of these quantities in our function, so we consider it as the trigonometric function. Okay, so how it look like, let's consider one of the examples, sine x. Okay, sine x which is equal to 0, so we consider it as the trigonometric function because trigonometric identity is there now. So that's why we consider it the trigonometric function. Okay, so one more example I can consider here, sine x plus cos x which is equal to 1. So there is an involvement of trigonometric identities for sine x and cos x, so we consider as the trigonometric function. Okay, so in our today's lecture we have to understand the definition for solution of a trigonometric function. Okay, so there are some other types for the solution, but before that starting that topic, I wanted to explain here what is the solution. What is the solution for trigonometric equation? And before we understand solution of a trigonometric equation, we'll go for some basic concept, which is a solution of algebraic equation. Okay, so if you come to understand solution of algebraic equation, then it is easier to understand the solution of trigonometric equations. Okay, let's consider one of the algebraic equation. So we'll go for one short example as a x square minus 1 which is equal to 0. I consider here as a x square minus 1 which is equal to 0. So if we substitute the value for x as a plus minus 1, so our equation will get satisfied. Okay, so here we can see x which is equal to plus minus 1. So if we substitute x as a plus minus 1 in our equation, what we will get? Check it out here. So substitute x as a plus minus 1, so we'll get the plus minus 1 square always 1, and which take away from 1, so we'll get the 0 which is equal to 0. So what is the meaning here? The meaning for our solution, that if we substitute that solution back to our algebraic equation, our equation gets satisfied. Okay, that means our equation satisfies from left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so that thing happened here. So what is the x which is equal to plus minus 1? It is some sort of a root. Some sort of a root. We consider it as the solution of our algebraic equation. Similar exact concept we have to apply under trigonometric function. Okay, let's apply under trigonometric function then. So if I consider one of the example, let's consider sine x which is equal to 0. I consider here as a sin x which is equal to 0. Now I wanted to verify here whether sin x which is equal to 0 is having solution or not, or maybe is there single solution or multiple solution. Okay, let's verify. First, our concern here that we have to understand the single solution for our trigonometric equation. Okay, let's go for the single solution. So for what value of a sine which goes to 0? So if I consider x as a 0, okay, if I consider x which is equal to 0, then what we will get? The sine 0 which is equal to 0. Now here we can see that if I substitute x as a 0, then we will get the sine 0 which is equal to 0. Okay, that means what it is here, if we substitute sine 0, then we'll get the 0, and we know that sine 0 is having value 0. Okay, which is equal to 0. That means when we use a theta as a 0, then we got the sine x as a 0. Okay, so I hope you all have understood what is the solution. That solution means which satisfies our equation. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the solution for our trigonometric equation. Okay, as we have here